Welcome back to Guessy Quiz. In this video, we'll guess the famous meme song. 10 questions and 5 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you are ready, subscribe and let's play. Round 1. Can you guess this meme voice?
The all-new Grimace Shake. Let's have a taste.
The answer is
the all-new Grimace Shake. Let's have a taste.
Round 2. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 3. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 4. Can you guess this meme voice?
Oh my God!
The answer is
Oh my God!
Round 5. Can you guess this meme voice?
No.
The answer is
No.
Round 6. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 7. Can you guess this meme voice?
Cool, then into the mouth. Cool, then into the mouth.
The answer is
Cool, then into the mouth. Cool, then into the mouth.
Round 8. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 9. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 10. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is How much is your right answer? Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you.